The last 10 years, the youth in Cambodia, the ones who had opportunities, they changed a lot.
The young people, young adults dream more. There are more possibilities, or they're creating more possibilities themselves. Like the imagination, creativity, the dreams have grown.
With help from internet, they see what is actually possible. And they changed a lot with the way of thinking, with more creative approaches, with more thinking out of the box. But that's only possible for the ones who have financial support, who can finance thinking out of the box. Haven is, on one side, for our guests, is a restaurant for a nice lunch, nice dinner, lush garden, a relaxing place to enjoy life. For our trainee, it is an opportunity to stepping out of an organization to learn to take care of themselves. Back in 2008, we started a world trip. We traveled 2 years around the world. During that trip, in 2008, we spent 3 months here. In 2009, we spent another 4 months here and worked in an organization. And back then, we realized there is a need for an opportunity for young adults, because a lot of organizations take care of children, but their reintegration was not that common. We copied the idea from Switzerland with apprenticeships, because that's an ideal version for young adults to get an education without money, without costs.
Realize that we don't have to invent anything new. It's a concept that works so well back in Switzerland with on-the-job training in a work environment, plus additional school for the whole theoretical lessons. And so we took that concept and adapted it to Cambodia and the needs here and the possibilities here, and have been running it in that style since the beginning. They come to us from all kinds of organizations that work in rural areas, outreach programs. They are organizations, street children, trafficking shelters, orphanages, can also be young adults through social workers. In general, all kids that grow up, while they're kids, they grow up with the support of an organization, but once they reach adulthood and kind of fall out of the program, that's where we step in. So that's where we come in and offer them a place to move on to that helps them become self-sustainable.
During the training, we provide everything they need. So we provide the theoretical lesson. Provide the practical learning part.
I think the practical part is a really big part of this training, because as an apprentice, if it's here or in Switzerland, you when your apprenticeship starts, you go right into work life. You already are integrated into the team and you already learn the whole processes, so you actually become immediately employable through working there. It's not just theory that you're learning, you're actually learning the trade.
All our trainees, they get twice a week English classes. And in addition, in collaboration with Ponieri Lee, they also have computer classes. Provide housing, we provide food, medical care. So they can really focus on learning.
From the first day until the program is over, and our trainees keep every day, every month changing. That's what they learn from us, and they learn by themselves, and they learn their life. We are also learn from them too. Like we are changing experience of life.
តាំងពីខ្ញុំបានចូលមកដល់ទីនេះនៅទីនេះបានបង្រៀនខ្ញុំជាច្រើនដូចជាតម្លៃនៃការងារសម្រាប់ខ្ញុំនៅអ្វីដែលខ្ញុំបានរៀននៅហើយហ្នឹងគឺចំណេះដឹងនិងបទពិសោធន៍ដែលខ្ញុំទទួលបានពីសេពក៏ដូចជាបងៗដែលបានបង្រៀនខ្ញុំនៅទីនេះសម្រាប់ខ្ញុំហូបខ្ញុំយកចិត្តធ្វើជាងគេគឺហូបឡុកឡាក់ពីព្រោះហូបឡុកឡាក់គឺជាម្ហូបរបស់ខ្មែរហើយវាមានរសជាតិឆ្ងាញ់ប៉ុន្តែបើសិនជាលោកអ្នកមិនចូលចិត្តម្ហូបឡុកឡាក់ដែលប្រើជាមួយសាច់លោកអ្នកអាចមកសាកនៅហេនបានដែលវាប្រើតៅហ៊ូជាមួយសាច់វាអាចឆ្ងាញ់ជាងម្ហូបប្រើសាច់ក៏ថាបានមុខម្ហូបដែលខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តចម្អិនជាងគេមានដូចជាសម្លការីហើយនិងនំបញ្ចុក នៅក្នុងខ្ញុំចង់ប្តីស្មារតីរបស់ខ្ញុំចង់បើកហាងតូចមួយដើម្បីប្រកបមុខរបរដែលខ្ញុំបានរៀននៅហេបញ្ចប់ហើយនឹងបង្កើតសាលារៀនមួយដើម្បីបរិញ្ញាកូនក្មេងជំនាន់ក្រោយមក
And they graduate. It's such a happy experience as well, where the whole Haven family is celebrating them as well. When they go for the interviews, that's really puzzling them with the interview pose and getting ready and just, bringing them to the places. That's a great feeling.
For our trainee, a couple of 10 years, I'm really happy to see my students. They stood up from zero to some of them are chef already. So sometimes they visiting me like, hello chef. Then I ask them how is everything. They say that is one thing that they come because of they want to show me that we are doing something right. That they never think that they can be like that.